Okay. I'm looking at a person with nails cutting a beet. Is that a beet? Or a radish? I think that's a beet. And there's snails in a bowl. And then there's a picture of a kid, a child. And then there's the vampire boy from those old, I don't know how old you guys are, but that vampire boy from those magazines back in the day. It was like the fake mock magazines that had pictures of Frankenstein and zombies, and vampire boy was like their main thing.
Snails eating beaver. Oh.
Oh my god.
I
Look,
like,
it's in his little brain.
Oh my god, dude.
I like snails.
What the fuck?
That's so cool.
I didn't know they had little mouths like that.
Yeah, they're cool.
The fact that they're transparent makes it a lot.
Oh my god.
Zach, let's do the sound. You ready?
Okay.
That does look fucking cool.
Identical twin brothers Josh and Jeremy married identical twin sisters Brittany and Brianna. Both couples gave birth to male babies at the same time, although technically they are cousins. Children are genetically brothers. It gets weirder. Both families live together in the same house.
That is fucking weird, dude. How do you know who you're fucking? Do they even care? They probably just don't even care at that point. They probably don't even give a shit. Like, look. Ding Dang? What's Ding Dong? Was that the name of the magazine or what?
That is bizarre.
Yeah, they would genetically show up as brothers on a DNA test. That's
Yeah.
so weird.
That's really weird.
Yeah. And what if you were you had suspicions that this kid was actually your brother's kid and not yours? You would never be able to prove it. Did you fuck my wife? Damn, that's confusing. I think they just don't give a shit.
Scary.
It's a problem.
That's a problem.
No, there's Mark Zuckerberg partying. Why is that on the top of this? What does the title say?
Is that him on the left?
That's
Picture
him right
from-
there in the gray shirt.
Yeah.
Sure looks like him.
He's at a house party. People are like, that's weird. He can't be at a house
I
party.
bet you that's some house party in Silicon Valley in 2000.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. The answer, like,
Hold on.
house
I
party.
bet you
I bet that he photoshopped that and put it out on the internet to make it seem like he's more normal than he actually is. Hey, look, see guys, I used to go to like house parties and stuff. See? I'm not an alien, guys. Look.
that's some house party in Silicon Valley in 2000.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. The answer, like,
Wait, why are they doing that?
they're worshiping it. That's so cool. Coincidence or a warning? Oh, it's like the bike's gonna put you in a wheelchair.
I guess it
That
kind
seems
of
like
looks like
that's
a guy in a
Photoshop. It
wheelchair.
feels like.
No, that's real. I mean, I think that is real, Zach.
You don't think it's manipulated?
Memorize the cast of OneyPlays ball, though. I'm trying, dude. And Julian. Okay, got it.
Photograph?
No, dude, they wouldn't. Look, it's the
We've-
same
yeah,
shit.
we've already seen that. God damn it!
God damn it. This was a kid show. Kid shows aren't supposed to be weird.
It's too weird.
Anna Nicole Smith married her 89-year-old husband in 1994, who would die the next year.
She's a genius.
That is a
Yeah.
40 chess move. That's great.
That is a 4D chess move. And speaking of 4D chess, look at those fucking titties, dude. 4D. That's 4D. Big as my fucking head.
the next year.
She's a genius.
That is a 40 chess move. That's great.
What does this sign even mean? Wheelchairs
We stand up and
will
fuck-
attack him.
Stop
behind.
faking it.
It's
We
saying
stop faking
it
it.
says get out of
Get
that
out of your
damn
chair.
Get out of your chair. Stop faking it.
That's cool. A week or so ago, this square appeared basically overnight in a field near where I live. The grass seemed to have been eradicated, and the dirt feels as if it was pressed, and nothing grows there.
Could be a UFO that did that.
Dude, there's a 4G tower.
There's an alien. There's an alien right beneath there with a little lamp.
I bet an RV just came and dumped out their little shit tank and then drove away.
Someone threw a mattress down.
I guess
slept
the
on
shit
it.
tank would revive the Earth, though. Never mind.
Fertilizer.
There's a theory.
Look at that. That's like a parasite.
No, but it's got all those septic
Fuck is
chemicals.
that?
It would destroy the Earth.
This Porsche looks like it had an allergic reaction.
It
That's an
does.
ugly fucking
That
car.
is disgusting.
Yeah, what the
It's
fuck?
revolting.
And bugs would get stuck in there.
Like, it looks like it has actual little folds of fat.
That is just a fake. Like, don't drive me. I'm sad.
Oh, I'm tired. Don't drive me. I don't want it today. Wait, Chris, do the voice for that little guy on that's the background. Tomar, you gotta do it too.
I gotta do it?
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Healthy lifestyle.
Yeah,
eating
that's-
McDonald's while cycling.
That's not a bad idea. I mean, that's pretty.
This is Vampire Boy. That's the guy who was the thing I was talking about.
Healthy lifestyle. Eating McDonald's while cycling.
That's not a bad idea. I mean,
Better than nothing.
yeah. What? Yeah. I don't.
Look, she's looking good.
I don't have a problem for
She's
that.
in shape.
Yeah.
Don't make fun of her.
No.
Fuck you.
I think that's kind of pointless. Personally, I think that's pointless. The amount of calories that you're gonna burn from sitting there for a few minutes eating a burger is so tiny that it's fucking pointless. You burn like 5 calories or some shit like that. It's not even a lot.
She's looking good.
I don't have a problem for
She's
that.
in shape.
Yeah.
Don't make fun of her.
No.
Fuck you. Look at
That's
these guys.
just kudzu.
They like see that this is what life is all about.
Yo, appreciate you, bro. Pictolo. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
The boys in a tub. 10 boys in a tub. 10 scared boys in a tub. Look at the guy on the second to the left. He looks like scared, dude.
What's he doing?
probably
real.
upset
You were
someone's
supposed to record this.
Yeah, who would want
For
to be
real.
photographed in that situation?
He's the only guy that looks happy. He's like, "Hey."
No, he looks more concerned. Like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Boys in the tub.
Yeah, come on in.
Even he looks like it might be an uncomfortable smile.
He's been lobotomized. He's scared. He's thinking about his dead wife. He's getting jacked off by him.
Who's also jerking
What?
off him.
Fingered in the ass by him.
That guy, and then the guy next to him has no. He just has like a spine attached. He has no body.
He's
He's just the head of the spine.
And he's the Chad who
And
leads
I
them
was
all.
gonna say those two guys have the same body. They're attached to the torso.
Oh,
It's just two heads
cool.
of the same body.
And this is a fake cigarette.
Yeah, that's his tongue.
Okay.
he has a cylindrical white tongue.
Found this on a mountain in Ireland. The 3 keys.
Oh, don't touch them 3 keys.
If you touch the 3 keys.
Everyone in all of Wexford knows not to touch the 3 keys.
No, the Wexford.
Randy Gardner, the 17-year-old who broke the world record for longest time awake. Gardner stayed awake for over 11 days. By the end, he was not able to perform basic tasks without forgetting what he was doing.
Oh, poor guy.
Daily reminder that turtles are not inside their shells. They are their shells.
Well, then what do you call this? Big hole?
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? Explain that one to me. Huh? Oh, I gotta show you guys.
Wait, Chris.
This seems like a stupid thing to have a daily reminder about. You know, like take a shit, drink some water. You know, if you go to the gym on a daily basis, go to the gym. You know, go to work if you work. Did I say brush your teeth? Yeah, and then remember that turtles are their shells. Yep. Thank you very much.
Big hole?
Yeah.
Huh? Explain that one to me. Huh? Oh, I gotta show you guys.
Wait, Chris. I have a really good idea. Copy that. Right-click, copy. MS Paint.
Yeah.
All right. Do your magic.
What am I doing?
Eyeballs.
What is that?
Use that little nose.
Yep. Yeah. Fill the eyes
Oh,
in.
I see.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I see. I gotta draw with the mouse. Do that.
Well, you're putting the eyes up there.
Yeah, I thought it would look funny. It's a cool character.
You gotta draw the mouth too, below the nose.
Oh.
Yeah, give like a mouth line, like a cool smirk, like a snarky. Yeah. That's the new mascot for OneyPlays.
What is this even?
That's the new mascot. What's his name? We gotta give him a name.
Smeg
The
plant.
one hair?
I don't know.
Smeg Plant.
That's something you would
That's it.
say.
Smeg Plant. Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
What the fuck is that? Is that like?
That's the smeg.
Can we have his nose?
He smelled a dick and he got. Never mind.
That's why he's smiling.
Never mind.
Forget I said anything.
We gotta give him a hat. What kind of a hat would he have? A fez or something?
Yeah, that's cool.
He wears a cool fez.
There you go. I like drawing fezzes.
Well, you do good, man.
You should just do a bucket fill and make the fez.
Well,
do you want to do a red fez?
You can't bucket fill, unfortunately. Oh, that's cute.
But you can't bucket fill. Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Because it's not layered.
Oh, that's what the Yoda puppet looks like now. That's scary.
That should be the new Star Wars. That'd be a good like return for him.
Yeah, he should just look like that now.
He's like that zombie from Day of the
I've
Dead
come
where
to
he's like,
get my nephew
writhing around the table.
That I am.
Who's good?
That's the thing that you throw in the trash.
baby.
It's all come full circle.
Blue bottle maggot under an electron microscope. A blue bottle maggot? What the fuck is a blue bottle maggot?
We're looking at tardigrades.
Tardigrades.
That's not
Baby.
a tardigrade. That's a maggot.
That's a
It's
maggot
a blue
grade.
bottle maggot.
Man,
Oh.
I visited Ireland last month. Yeah, but
Dude, that looks like it could be related to a fucking walrus or something.
dude, they got a fly problem. It's like every fucking second there's a new fly flying into the house, and they're so fucking annoying.
Wait, can we please get
I
fan
swear
art of
flies
all
have
three of us
evolved
with
over
those
the
little
course of
tardigrade
my
heads?
lifetime to be
What's
harder
that?
to catch.
They're fuckers, dude.
What is this little Danny Vito guy doing?
But in the Irish countryside,
The
it's way
fuck?
worse. Why is this man in his underwear?
Dude, he's sweating.
Why
why
wouldn't
do
he
you, why do
be?
you mind your own
Because
business?
he's drunk and he's in a nightclub and he's being silly.
And he's fucking 4'1". He's going
This guy's
crazy.
going, oh, I can't believe it. Number 2 appeared on my wrist.
Number 2 appeared on my
It's
wrist.
the Tenacious D tattoo.
Brother, you took a fucking paperclip and drew the number 2 with a paperclip, and it left the red mark on your skin.
Yeah.
You're right, he did do that. That's just
That's
fucking
just funny.
It's a sumo card.
That's like an AI generated image.
That's what the OneyPlays recording room looks like.
Yeah, that's basically where we're standing
Imagine
right
that
now.
with a few microphones here and there.
Remember when we weren't staring at screens and we were just all walking through the flowers?
Dude, we
like,
need to return to this. This is what our ancestors did.
This
We
is
all
the most beautiful
we were
image
fat.
of...
We were in underwear. We were fucking rummaging
You
around.
should
this
take
stuff.
this and repost it to r/beautiful or something. Or
that
whatever.
is beautiful.
Yeah, that is fucking beautiful.
Oh, I love that. So we put my dog down. No, we put my dog in the bathroom and acted like we left the house.
Have I seen Roach Dog Jr.? No, I haven't. I have like a backlog of shit I'm supposed to watch. But I kind of just been freestyling it on the live stream stuff. But mostly OneyPlays stuff and some Cumtown stuff. Roach Dog, I've never... You're the first person to tell me what Roach Dog Jr.
What? We put
He opened the door. Is that the fucking?
put my dog in the bathroom and acted like we left the house.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What, didn't expect him to open
She's
the
getting
door?
like a panic attack over the dog opening the door.
It does look
What is
fucking
that, a piece of
creepy though.
shit?
It's a fish. It's looks like a giant tadpole. What
That
is
looks
that?
like something I laid in my toilet.
A 3-year-old tadpole that never developed fully into a frog.
Oh, it is a tadpole. Oh my god.
Do you guys know about zombie salmon?
What do you mean?
You know the fish salmon?
I know the salmon.
So it's a creature discovered in Arizona. After closer examination, it was revealed to be a 3-year-old tadpole that never developed into a frog. So you killed it? They discovered it and then murdered it? Just to take a picture and be like, oh, it's a tadpole. What the fuck? You just exterminated an entire mutated species or some shit.
Salmon? How do you say that even?
Salmon.
Salmon?
It's salmon.
Salmon.
It's salmon.
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 Sal-
Why is the L in there?
You say it S-A-M-M-I-N.
Salmon's the guy who had the fatwa on him.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Salmon. Yeah, salmon.
Do you know what, like when salmon are about to die, they like start like falling apart like zombies, and
That's
then they,
not. Yeah,
and
I
then
know
they
what you're talking
swim
about.
back to the spot.
It was your username. It's Zach Psychic Pebbles channel. I'm somewhat familiar with Newgrounds. Newgrounds. Okay, so whenever Newgrounds, E-Bombs World, the more extreme sites like Rotten, shit like that. I was in fucking like middle school or something, and I had dial-up. So like Stick Death. So this is like way back in the day. I don't remember a lot of it. I know what it is, and I've seen videos on it. I've played Flash games on there, but I couldn't tell you any specific details. Besides, I know it's like a tank. Their logo's like a fucking tank. Newgrounds.com or some shit.
Well, they're fucking. They're
Yeah,
like
they
rotting.
fuck and they rot, and then they swim back to the spot they were born and they die. And I saw them.
Salad
David
fingers.
Firth.
I love David Firth.
Shout out to David Firth. Wait, toilet.
Aww.
I would kiss that.
Dude,
Oh my god.
get your
Don't
fucking
tell me
hand
that's
away
real.
from that.
That's not
That's a
real.
robot.
Oh, I was
That's a
about to
really
say.
cool robot.
Yeah.
These handcuffs I found on my sofa I just bought. Why would you buy that?
Yeah, what the
Yeah,
fuck?
why would you...
Yeah, it's just dirty, dude.
It's just all... It's like a billion toenails on the right there, I swear.
It's full of bed bugs.
Are those toenails or fucking... Those look like worms or some shit, dude. That's fucking dirty. And that black stuff, that's gotta be some type of mold or something. Who the fuck would buy that shit?
Why would you buy that?
Yeah, why would you...
Yeah, it's just dirty, dude.
It's just all... It's like a billion toenails on the right there, I swear.
It's full of bed bugs. AIDS.
Ugh.
Japanese engineer creates creepy spider nightlight that walks around your house. That's awesome.
Hell
That's
yeah.
so cool. I love people working out at the gym, like insane people.
He's doing the Spider-Man workout.
That's so cool. Imagine if a fucking spaceship abducted people and started raining blood back down. That would be freaky.
When is the government gonna
Look at that guy.
release all the UFO shit? When are they gonna release it?
Is that Braille? This picture is made for blind people? It's an angel. That's an angel shooting like red beams at this ship. And then a demon tree or something like that shooting red beams up at the ship. And then there's blood raining down on this. Looks like an old town. Because that's an old ship. So this is like maybe 1600s or 1700s or some shit. The fuck?
Stop hiding it.
They did release a bunch of it, didn't
They
they?
still have a bunch
Right
of that
around
showing.
the Epstein time. That's weird.
Well, see, Chris, you're one of those people that if the
Aloha.
aliens are real, you're gonna say it's fake.
Well,
You're gonna say the alien's fake when they
I
finally
mean,
show it.
they did release it right around Epstein stuff, so
Chris,
yeah.
Epstein was an alien. You're not seeing the bigger picture, dude.
He didn't kill himself. He just got back in his
He,
ship.
he went back to his home.
Hold on, well, they're just breezing over some of this shit that's...
Epstein was an alien. You're not.
The human anus can stretch up to 7 inches before taking damage. A raccoon can squeeze into holes as tight as 4 inches, meaning you can take almost 2 full raccoons on your hands. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Nah, someone have to prove that.
Not seeing the bigger picture, dude.
He didn't kill himself. He just got back in his
He,
ship.
he went back to his home planet, dude.
Epstopia?
I am going back to Lolitopia.
Lolion 4000.
5. Lolian.
Stay here, Ghislaine. I will come back
I
for
will
you.
return with my probe.
That fucking weird ass temple on his island is the spaceship. Though the human brain is usually pink, this one is yellow.
Is that what that says?
Yeah. Weird.
I
It's
didn't
because
see
it's
that.
out of it's because it's outside of a head.
Yeah.
I don't think it said that at all.
I can't read it, so I'm just relying on Chris's misinformation. It's fucking me a telephone here.
This brown thing has been coming out of our ceiling. Anyone knows what it is?
You waited that long until you
It's
fucking...
literally just a leaking shit pipe, dude.
This guy's a disgusting
Or a,
freak.
Yeah.
really, really old like fly strip that got stuck to the wall.
Man, I love this. Do people really have this? Why? Because in San Francisco, there's shit all over the streets. That's why.
That's a rumor,
Yeah.
dude.
Look at that. This guy is what Shrek's based on.
Chris, I already read the image. I already read the caption, dude.
You said you couldn't read.
I can read the giant green letters. What is this?
It's this
Shark.
thing going.
A shark upside down sharks.
It's the Shark Brothers. He's going.
He's going, he's going,
Dude, sharks for sure. Like, one of my biggest fears is being in the ocean and seeing a fucking shark. You just completely help. There's nothing you could do. unless you have like a spear gun or something like that, you're at the discretion of whatever the fucking shark wants to do to you. You can't outswim it. Punching it in the face isn't gonna do a fucking thing. You just hopefully it doesn't eat you.
Look at that. It's a little fucking, what
Is
do you
that
call
someone's
it?
steak?
Bahamut.
Jesus.
There's like a little devil in the jerky.
There's a little devil. There's a devil in the jerky.
That's cool. He's got a cock. Actual
Oh, wait,
Yu-Gi-Oh
is that an
character.
actual Yu-Gi-Oh character?
Yeah.
He does have a dragon cock.
We should watch Oratsuka Doji.
Oh, that's like
Why is everyone scared of sharks? Because they can fucking eat you. I don't know. That seems like a pretty reasonable thing to be afraid of. Deeply phobic of jellyfish too. And honestly, anything deep in the water is scary just because it's such an uncomfortable place for a human to be in. And squids too. Fuck yeah, dude. Squids. I was watching a nature thing the other day, and it was talking about how squids have been reported to like grab onto divers and try to pull them deep underwater at like a rapid pace. Linesman, yeah, I have. They're the ones that look like fucking aliens, dude. They all look like aliens. Yeah, and don't they break apart and like little pieces of them float around and shit?
classic sort of soft hentai,
That's
right?
super hentai, yeah. Flooding recently uncovered 3 tombstones in my backyard. Cool.
Go into him.
The elevator. What's gonna happen? There's never a good elevator video. Oh.
What the
Whoa.
fuck?
Whoa.
Wait, did the
That
thing
started moving a little
just, did
early.
it come off its rails or something?
Oh.
Oh my god, they're not supposed to be
Oh
able
man,
to do
I
that.
would be panicking right now.
Yeah.
Help!
Dude.
Oh, it's not super, it shouldn't be doing that.
There's only one floor to this. Ah!
Whoa, dude, did that... Bro. First of all, if you're in an elevator and this happens, I don't think that you should be just randomly smashing all the buttons like he's doing.
Moving a little early.
What? He's gonna just panic and start smashing all these buttons.
Come off its rails or something?
Oh.
Oh my god, they're not supposed to be
Oh
able
man,
to do
I
that.
would be panicking right now. Help!
Look at him. At this point, I would be just curled up in a fucking ball. And so, like, I'm more surface area. So if, like, it falls or something like that, it's not going to be as big of an impact. Like, standing up like that, the first thing that's going to get hit is, like, your head or something.
Oh, it's not super, it shouldn't be doing that.
There's only one floor to this.
Oh, he's dead. He's got to be dead after that, right? That's fucked up.
Oh god!
No, they're not. That's.
That's fucking cool.
That's awful.
I want to do that.
It
don't
makes
like
your head
that.
look like it's a RoboCop mask.
You look like you're wearing a fake hat.
Yeah, it looks like your face comes off and it's just silicone and there's gonna be
A giant fucking squid wrapping you up trying to eat. Yeah, dude. It's like the thing... Not the original Star Wars. Whenever they remade it, the golden VHS Star Wars.
cool robotic parts behind
Who
it.
do you think pulls it? I think he pulls it
He
off.
pulls up the best because he's got his
got a
hairline helps
square
him.
head.
Yeah, his hairline really
Yeah.
helps him.
He looks like a.
This one is fucking crazy, dude. That one too? No, this one, he just has a weird head. What the fuck?
A weird like fantasy character.
The guy in the top right looks the most like you could just pull his face off.
Yeah, he looks like
Yeah.
a little robot.
Look, there's a baby ritual.
Found this in my Discord server. Any guesses on what it is?
Yeah.
This is obviously just like the CPR mannequin factory or something. I don't.
Why is that one scary? What's the title say?
This little girl went to sleep, then wake up for 28 years.
Sounds like a her problem.
Yo, why does she have a fucking, like, a choir boy hairstyle mixed with a girl hairstyle? She has a fucking comb over. And a part.
went to sleep, then wake up for 28 years.
Sounds like a her problem.
Oh my god, Finn's covered in blood!
Did somebody jump on the train?
Yeah, people jump in front of it.
Man obsessed with body modification gets tusks
Probably just
filled to his own
crushes
teeth.
a lot of bugs,
Fitted to
too.
his own teeth.
Kills himself 1 year later. Wait a minute, I don't like
At
how
least
I
he's-
look anymore.
Well, at least his brain's normal. Wanted.
Older and more experienced sketch artist. Look at that.
That was me.
If I saw that,
That
I'd
was
say,
me. I forgot that. That was you and me, Chris. You don't remember that in the woods?
I was going-
Tomar's the one that took the picture.
Yeah, I was like,
Yep. You remember what I was doing?
Yeah, we did this what? It was like 7
yeah.
months ago, right?
Yeah. And I went, yeah. You remember that? Yeah. And Tomar, you took the fucking picture. Remember?
Tomar was going,
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, it was like what, basically like that. Yeah.
Imagine if you pulled this out of the water, took a bite out of both eyes, and
I
threw
was-
it back in.
I was literally just
Oh.
thinking that guy taking a bite of that when you said that. I was picturing that in my head.
Is that for real? For some reason, I don't think that that's real. Cause look where his hands are. That finger looks fucking weird. That hand, the way he's grabbing it, looks fucking weird. That seems like AI bullshit to me. I don't know. I could be wrong because I don't know what the fuck that is.
I was literally just thinking that guy taking a bite of that when you said that. I was picturing that in my head.
That'd be so
What
cool.
is that thing really called a grendelier? Yeah, it is.
It's called the Big Eye
A
Grendelier.
big eye grendelier.
It's like a shitty Stephen King villain.
The Big Eye Grendelier.
You know what? I gotta see if that's an actual thing. Duplicate. Big eye Grenadier? Onion eye grenadier. Fucking weird.
That guy should be president.
President Reptar.
president.
I'm president.
Yeah.
I'm going to make sure everybody looks like a fucking reptile. If you don't look like a reptile, I'll put you in a cage.
All people will have sparks in their head.
Everybody gonna look like me. The eggs.
That's cabbage. That is kind
That
of
looks
scary.
like that looks like the eggs from
It
Alien.
definitely looks like Alien. Oh, those moths are so cute.
You know what it would say?
Say it, Chris. Wait, Tomar, talk to it.
Wait, what are we talking to? Oh, the little moth?
No, you're talking to
Oh, hey
the
there,
moth.
little guy.
I set this up between you two.
How
'cause
you, how you,
Yeah, it doesn't look like it has a lot of meat on it either way.
you feeling? You doing okay?
Tomar, Tomar, you wanted this meeting for months and months. You said you wanted to meet this moth. It took me hours and hours of my time
Tomar,
to set up a
It
meeting
just
with this
kind of
moth.
makes cute little noises.
Yeah, you
Like-
gotta
I
ask.
know.
It's one
Poodle
for yes,
moth.
two for no.
Okay,
Venezuelan poodle moth. That's like a bug where the name, without even seeing a picture of what it looks like, you can imagine what it looks like, and it would look like this. Like, if you put a gun to my head and said, fucking, tell me what this moth is called. A poodle moth is something that would actually probably pop into my head.
This is important, man.
is everything okay? Are you safe? Okay.
That's a yes. So that's
Well,
good.
then I'm not concerned.
Well,
Be
you-
on your way.
You're telling. You know how long this took me to set up, man?
I just want to make sure it's okay.
You gotta ask. You gotta ask it one more.
Well, it flew away.
Flew away.
Good job, Tomar.
You tried.
Researchers are hoping this new